this is Kamura Story Lab. Today's story is about the mussel and the worry. The researcher Barry Marshall found out that people are dying from stomach ulcers, and the gastrologists are essentially saying that spicy food and the stressing is causing it. Marshall conducts a research in his laboratory where he explores that the actual reason behind stomach ulcer is bacterial infection of H. pylori, and is taking a toll on lives. However, the medicine of that time is backward, which is why gastrologists will not allow him to treat human patients. This harms the medicine and also it's risking the lives of the people. Marshall is confused and realizes something needs to be done. And then Marshall realizes he doesn't not have any other choice if he wants to prove his theory right. He discusses with his colleague, worrying and decides that the only solution left is becoming the test subject himself. Therefore, he collects some of the bacteria from the stomach of patients with ulcers and mix them that bacteria in a broth. He drinks that bacteria to prove that it indeed is Pylori bacteria, which is causing the ulcers and not stress or spicy food. The world says that he is crazy of taking such a step. Finally, as per Marshall's predictions, he starts to showing all the symptoms that a patient with stomach ulcer might have. He starts having bad breath, vomiting, nausea, and stomach pain. He proves it beyond doubt that the bacteria of H. pylori is indeed the reason behind the stomach ulcers, and it gets permission to treat the patients with antibiotics. This is a legendary discovery that is also proceeds to. Finally, as per Marshall's predictions, he starts showing all the symptoms that a patient with stomach ulcer might have. He starts having bad breath, vomiting, nausea, and stomach pain. He proves it beyond doubt that the bacteria of H. pylori is indeed the reason behind the stomach ulcers, and it gets permission to treat the patients with antibiotics. This is a legendary discovery as it also proceeds to diagnose stomach cancer. As a result, Marshall and Warren are given the Nobel Prize for their invention and the risks Marshall took for science and medicine.